Hello and welcome back. Just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. Looks like today we're doing number 242. Start with this box here. We're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here. So this is our 9. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this row, then, we're just missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7. A 1 here and a 3 here. That makes this our 7, 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. No help here. 2, 3, 8. 2 and 3 here. Makes this our 8. 2 and 8 here. Makes this our 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 covering both of these boxes, so 4, 8, 3 and 8 there. So 4, 8, 3. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. I don't see any help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6, no help here. 5, 6, 8, no help here. 5, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9, 7 here, so 1, 9, 9 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here. So this is our 1. That 7 makes this our 4 and 7. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here. So 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. Got a 1 here. So 4, 6, and no help here. 1, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 1, 6. That means the only place in that column our 9 can be is here. That 9 makes this our 7, 1, 9. That 1 makes this our 6, 1, 6, 4, 1. And now we can get rid of this 6 here and this 5 here. For this row now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here. So this is our 5. That makes this our 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 6, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. And for this box, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're also missing a 6. So for this row now, we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. That went much better than yesterday's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.